You guys voted and of course I had to deliver. This is Victoria Alexandraa here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
What's up, cousin? What's up?
I did a poll a few weeks back asking you guys what type of makeup video that you would like for me to do, since I hadn't done one in a minute, and you guys voted for the updated everyday makeup routine. I've changed some products, I've gone back to some products, and you know, picked up on some new techniques, so I wanted to show you guys that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows because nothing has changed with my eyebrows. I'll link the video down below where I show you how I do them. Now, after I do my eyebrows, I would typically go into doing my face, but I'm not gonna do that today. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and go in with this Instant Angel Wine Concealer in the shade Caramel. If you've been here, cousin, you know that this is my favorite freaking concealer. As you can see, it's time for me to get another one. This is like my third one.
When I should've went home, only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off.
I'm just laying that down as a base for the bronzer that I'm gonna put on my eye. So I'm just gonna buff that out with this Deluxe Crease by Real Techniques.
In the past, I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn some. Come through.
Next, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. Y'all know this is the OG. I'm gonna always and forever use this on my lid when I'm doing just like an everyday makeup look, soft glam, whatever you wanna call it. I'm just gonna blend it out with this Morphe M433. Now, you don't have to use this particular bronzer or any bronzer. You can just take like a brown eyeshadow that you have. That's what you can use to give you like just a soft eye look.
DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on. Well, who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on?
So yeah, I just blend that all out over the lid. Oh, these look a little ragged, but I'm gonna be taking these ieveny lashes in the style 5. As you can see, I've been wearing a mess out of these. These are my new faves. I love a good fluffy lash. It gives off the lash extension effect. I really like that. Okay, we've got those on. What I noticed is when I go ahead and do my bronzer on my eyelids, put my lashes on, my makeup application goes by a lot faster. I don't know why, but it does. So that's what I do now. I've already, you know, prep my face and I moisturize using the Cetaphil moisturizer, and now I'm just going to set that moisturizer. I'm gonna be using the Mercier translucent setting powder in translucent honey.
Girl, you know we got things to do, so get your ass in the car, come through, come through, girl, you know we got things to do.
And I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter spray and I'm going to spray my whole face. I know I look crazy. It's okay. It's gonna come together. People love to call me while I'm filming. I don't know why. They do it. They're gonna do it every time, I promise you. But okay, so now I'm going to prime my face. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. matte putty primer and I'm just going to place that in my T-zone because that's where I get really oily. I have combination skin, so I'm oiling my T-zone and then the outer of my face is dry or drier. It doesn't get as oily. I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. They say this is a dupe for the Hydro Grip Primer by, is it Milk Makeup, I believe? I'm not sure, but I actually really like this product. So just on the outer areas of my face, basically everywhere that I didn't prom with the matte primer. That's where I'm gonna place that.
Pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long. Probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much.
I'm be using the OG, my Clinique Stay Matte Foundation in the shade Sienna. This foundation has not failed me yet. Of course, I want to try like a new one because I feel like I've used this for so long. But I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I'm gonna buff that out with my all-time favorite foundation brush. It's the Instapot Face Brush by Real Techniques. I know y'all used to me having an orange one, but that one was through. When I say through, I mean through. So I just bought the new one and it's pink now, so yeah. Like I always state, you want to pat this in. You don't want to drag, because when you drag the product, you have less coverage.
Going on. Who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up. They just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game.
Look at that blend, y'all. Y'all know I normally go on with the beauty blender to further blend out and give me that skin-like finish, but I use the Sonia Kashuk beauty blender, a beauty sponge that you can find in Target. I'm not sure where else you can find it, but this dang near has replaced the beauty blender for me. Like, I love it. I love it. Like, I'm obsessed with this sponge. You see that, girl? Yeah. We're gonna go back in with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline in Caramel. And this is going to... I still don't really put anything on my chin anymore. Just, you know, under eye, forehead, nose, and that's it. I'm gonna blend it out with the Real Techniques setting brush. And I'm tripping today. I would normally blend out my forehead and nose before my under eye, but here we are. Okay, so I'm really into the bright under eye now. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. What shade is this? This is the shade Medium Beige. And I'm just gonna place a little bit in the inner corner. And this is probably like a shade or two lighter than Caramel. I'm gonna blend that out using that same brush. I'm trying not to go too far out. It's okay if you do, but try not to. And I'm going far out. I may have used too much, but I am gonna go up the side of my nose with it. Kind of help with the contouring of my nose once I get to that part.
Come through, girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do, so get your ass in.
I'm gonna take my foundation brush and blend out the outer edges of that concealer. And the outer edge up here on the forehead. I know I haven't set my eyes yet. I'll get to that in just a second. I'm just gonna contour real quick with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Ebony. Now, I no longer take it to the face anymore because it's harder to blend out when I do it that way, and I noticed that it leaves like a harsh line of demarcation. They don't even, I know it's a Real Technique brush, but I'm not even sure what it is anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna take the brush to the product instead and blend in that way.
Wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, make that different. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life. Girl, you know you got that thing that I like. Girl, you got that thing for real. When I was on the mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor?
Next, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Putty blush. I believe it's in the shade Bali, but I'm gonna place it right up here in between where my contour. So I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. Go back in with this sponge, kind of get out any of the creasing that I may have from waiting so long to set it. I'm gonna set my highlighted areas with that same translucent honey from Laura Mercier. We're gonna set, okay? We are not bakers anymore. I'm gonna press it in. My cheeks look naturally blushed. I don't know if you can tell. Real cute. Actually gonna bronze a little bit with Mocha Mami, and that's gonna be in between the blush and the contour. Now I'm gonna set that blush with that brown shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Y'all know this is a staple of mine. I'm going to always use it. I knew I was forgetting something. I need to contour my nose. I'm just taking the Mocha Mami bronzer from Fenty Beauty.
I was tripping off. I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long.
We start from the middle and then we blend it into the beginning of the brow.
You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn some. Come through, come through, come through.
I'm gonna set my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in deep. Now we're gonna put on some mascara. This is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna line my lip with the Wet n Wild Kohl liner in Simma Brown now.
Be a lot of hard working going on. Who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to.
Then I'm gonna go in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. Yeah, I done went back to a matte lip. I love a matte lip now. And I kind of go between the two until I get my desired look. Okay, we're gonna do our first spray with the Fenty Beauty. This is the What It Do setting spray. And now I'm gonna take the Crayon Case and Anglowla highlighter. And I'm gonna use this Morphe M507 little brush. I'm only gonna place the highlighter here. And the tip of my nose. Then I'm just gonna set my entire face using the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Alright, so my camera died after I sprayed that setting spray, but this is the finished look. Just real simple and soft and pretty. We love it. Let me know if you guys like any of the new products or techniques that I use now, and let me know if you're going to try them out down in the comments below. And that's it for today's video, cousins. So of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey auntie.
So cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time your big cousin uploads. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Peace out. Bye. Bye.
think I really